హలో సార్, వినయ్ వినయ్ గారు నమస్కారం. జాయిన్ జాయిన్ అవుతున్నావా? జాయిన్ అవడం లేదా? జాయిన్ అయ్యా. ఓకే. వినయ్ వినయ్ జాయిన్ అయ్యావా? హలో, నిన్ను చేస్తున్నా ఇప్పుడు. నిన్ను నిన్ను పోస్ట్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే.
ఎవరెవరు వచ్చినా వాళ్ళందరినీ అడ్మిట్ చేస్తుండు. ఓకే, ఒక్క నిమిషం. నీ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ లో వచ్చి నీ దాని దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి చేయాలి కదా. ఒక్క నిమిషం, నీ హోస్ట్ చేస్తా, మీకు హోస్ట్ చేస్తా. ఓకే
సార్, మీది రికార్డింగ్ ఆడియో అని వస్తుంది సార్, మీరు ఏ వాట్సాప్ లో.
And celebrate the joy of science. Science, technology, and engineering provide us solution to improve our day-to-day life. Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, in association with Vigyan Bharati, that is the short name as VIVA also, has created a unique platform of IISF, which intend to inspire curiosity and make learning more rewarding. The IISF 2020, which is the sixth edition of IISF, created every year from 2015, is scheduled from December 2020 to December 22 to 25th. Both these dates are having the birthday of great great leaders of India. Like 22nd is the birthday of Ramanuji, who was a great mathematician of India, and 25th is the birthday our great visionary, great leader, and former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, and it will be held in virtual mode. The theme of IISF 2020 is Science for Self-Reliant India and Global Welfare. And this theme is very relevant in the present context to accelerate the growth of India and to fulfill the vision of our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. IISF 2020 will cover the 40+ event in diversified areas, including science for masses. This Vigyan Yatra is also the part of that one, and it will also covers the areas like some Guinness World Record for the sanitizing the people at a time, putting the mask at a time, and it has a lot of more special session for science and engineering students, having consist of like some special ideas, display of models, and different other competition for the science and engineering students. I extend invitation all to join and celebrate the Science Festival. I conclude my talk with Swami Vivekananda ji quote, which I think so is very relevant to this festival. Arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, Jai Vigyan, Jai Hind. Murthy ji, hand over to you.
Namaskar. Now I have Praveen Chaudhary ji. He is a scientist in DRDL. He is our Joint Secretary. I request Praveen ji to give some overview of the talk and introduction of Lakshmanarayan ji.
Good evening all. Today for talk we are having Professor Lakshminarayana. He is Director for NERTU. We'll be having words from him. I would like to add just one point before the talk, that this Atmanirbharta is not opposite of interdependence. Actually, interdependence is a very good thing, but only independent person can claim interdependence. And this independence is required as an individual, as a society, as well as a nation. So it is needed for resources also, it is needed for technology also. So it is all our duty to keep identifying critical technologies where we are heavily dependent on other countries, and either we should develop or at least support developing alternate sources where we can sustain those sources and we can go toward Atmanirbharta. With this, I will hand over to Professor P. Lakshminarayana, Director, NERTU. Lakshminarayana, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you, Dr. Praveen ji, Dr. Pradeep ji, Dr. Praveen ji, Sri Jairan ji, and other friends. I'm happy to share my thoughts with all of you related to Atmanirbhar Bharat. Of course, I'm working in a particular narrow field which is useful. But even then, today I have to talk on Atmanirbharata. Of course, it is a fascinating and interesting topic for all of us actually. So that's why I'm accepted to take this topic. So just now you mentioned that, okay, what is the Atmanirbharata, what is required? So first we should be free to think. So similarly, we should be free to ask the questions. Similarly, we should be free to express our opinions also. That is also very important in any Atmanirbharata or self-reliant. Whenever we are telling, we should be free to say anything. That's why Rabindranath Tagore said one poem, almost. The meaning is nothing but actually, we need the society with freedom to speak, freedom to express their opinions, freedom to say the truth without any fear. That is very important. That's why I hope you will ask some questions in between or later when I'm giving the lecture, or you can write them and you can ask the questions at the end also. So that is very important. In our education system also, started with questioning basically. Instead of giving complete lecture, we can ask the questions, then we should, the teacher or whoever is there actually known something. He used to give the answers for them actually. That was the method was there in India earlier. Of course, there were some lectures and also pravachan type also, there is no doubt. But this was also a very important method to understand the information or knowledge or anything for all of us actually. That's why that is important. So now let us come to the topic of Atmanirbhar. I thought to prepare the slides, but I have not prepared because of lack of time actually. 3 days back he asked me actually, but preoccupied with other works, and I thought to say directly actually. So whenever you are telling Atmanirbhar or Swadeshi or whatever is there actually. So where is it useful? Is it useful only for nation? It is useful for everyone. So even individually also we should be Atmanirbhar. As a village, we should have the completely self-reliant. Similarly, as a taluk or district level, at each level it will be different levels of Atmanirbhar or self-reliance is required for us actually. If we take the olden days in our villages, they are almost self-reliant except few things. When I was in 8th class or less than that actually, before 1980s, my parents were used to say actually, if they are going to the taluka headquarters for market actually, they used to get only the salt and also some oil sometimes. Even oil was also produced very long back in the villages actually. There will be very few items they used to get from outside. Even now let us take this Corona period also. What happened? Everyone was thinking that completely we are depending upon the villages or completely we are depending upon the cities. But when the lockdown came actually, we have come to know that completely almost all villages are able to sustain without any difficulty. They are almost free. So people are telling that, okay, in many villages till almost 2 to 3 months, they're almost free in India from the Corona. So as if there was no Corona like that, they were working in the villages. They used to go to the agriculture, they used to do everything. That was the case in the villages. So whenever we are telling Atmanirbhar or self-reliance, how much we are depending upon others, that is going to vary from person to person, similarly village to village. It is the level of thinking we are telling, similar level of requirements. So let us start with the, whenever we are telling for Bharat actually, let us start with the people actually, all of us actually. What is the minimum required things for to become Atmanirbhar ourselves, or okay, self-reliance for us actually? What is the minimum condition required for us actually? For that purpose, somebody was telling that, okay, whenever we are telling about ourselves, okay, I'm completely self-reliant, I don't want anybody's help much. Yes, definitely as a society, we have to live together. We'll take the help of others, they will take the help of us. But because of some reason, if we are not able to get the help, or if we are not able to get something, then how do we live ourselves? That is the first question. For that purpose, if we take actually, so minimum 3 things are required for anyone actually. Is it right? So what are those things actually? Minimum, I should be having sufficient energy with me to walk, to run, to eat, or anything is there. Therefore, health is the first one. So I should be energy or capacity. I'm telling first one is the health. Then physical strength is also important whenever you are telling actually. Based upon that, our self-reliance will be coming. First one is the health. Second one is the physical strength. Is it right? Then mental strength. Then how much I am having my own what is called actually self-reliance whenever you are telling dhairya. So that is also important. Is it right? How much I am brave. So that is also very important. Another part is, okay, spiritual energy is also very important. Otherwise, what happens, every time I will get the doubt whether I will become self-reliant or not, or I'm going to depend upon somebody else or not, like that actually. So what is that? I'm not going much about the spiritual strength now actually. If time permits, at the end I will explain for the complete society together. But that is also important. So like that, we are telling at that level actually. For the individual, these are the very important. Whatever we are telling that, okay, first one is the health. Without health, we cannot become free. So we are going to depend upon many people. If our health is not good, then we are going to depend completely on others only. That's why we said first one is the health. Second one, we said that, okay, physical strength. The order of priority also I'm telling more or less. If we are not having sufficient physical strength, then also we are going to depend upon others. Then mental strength. Then I said that, okay, Vishwas or Dhairya or whatever you are telling, that is also important. The fifth one I said that, okay, very important is the spiritual strength also. In the priority I said, unless you get the first 4 things, you cannot get the spiritual strength at all for you. The spiritual strength is nothing but, yes, whatever I'm doing, that is right. So I have to do the right things only. Whichever is my dharma also we are telling in other way actually. This is my duty, I'm going to do this duty. It should not be done by me, therefore I won't do this work. Like that we are telling these are the strengths of an individual which are essential. In other way we can say also, to become self-reliant, and we should not depend upon others. For that purpose, one more method is nothing but actually, for nation or for village or anything actually, that is also important. First one is related to physical strength or whatever is their protection of ourselves actually. For that purpose, we need all types of strength, whatever is mentioned, all those things. Along with that, one more thing required for most of us, for nation or country or individual, that is related to transport also. We should have very good transport facilities to become self-reliant. This is applicable for individual, similarly for village, for taluka, or for nation also, or for rural also. That is also there actually. Let us remember that. Third one is related to communication facilities. Communication facilities vary from at different levels actually. For example, individual, I should be able to speak very clearly. I should be able to communicate whatever I want. One method is communication by speech. Other method is there are many methods of expression. Is it right? If we take the Natya, then they are telling that many types of expression. Even what is called actually Naina Vinayana is there. That means they will express everything through eyes only. If you are giving few sentences to one person, with the eyes only will communicate the same thing to other person who are sitting around almost 10 to 15 meters away from each other. That is also there. That means there are many types of communication methods, and at least some communication methods should be there, and in that one we should be good enough. So that's why I said speech. Then other methods also there. That is also important. Sometimes many methods. That is for individual. But if it is a nation or country, then we may need the TV, television is coming, telecommunication is coming. Like that, many methods are there. Even in the transport also, individually we may walk. If you are not able to walk, similarly vehicles are there. Similarly roads are there. Like that, many methods are there. Olden days before this telecommunication was there, whatever the electronics communication we are using, Before that, postal department is there. That was also a very important thing for any country. So if we don't have that one, then we cannot develop also. So this is simple thing. How do we say whenever you are telling? Some of the things are very essential for all of us actually. Then we'll go to Atmanirbhar country level actually. What is required, and also how do we need the science for Atmanirbhar Bharat, or with this Atmanirbhar Bharat, how can we make the world also happy? That is our topic today actually. So for starting that actually, what is self-reliance? I said, even if something is not available from others, it may be other village, other country, then how can we live to ourselves actually? That is the Atmanirbhar. If we want to say beyond that, then if somebody is in suffering, then how can we help them? That is also beyond this actually, like next part actually. So for that purpose, how the science is going to help us? How do we analyze the science actually? What is science actually? So science has to give the solution to the problem. Similarly, if something is working very well, then how it is working very well, that explanation he should be able to give. If something is not working, how can we, how it is not working, what is the reason, how can we make it to working? That is also science only. So therefore, everything we are explaining, that how, why, and how, what. With these words, generally we are going to explain. Is it right? Generally. So not only that much, if something is not working, we have to make it working. Similarly, something is working, we have to give the explanation. So that is very important for us. At the end, all these things, why do we need? At the end, we need all these things for the welfare of the society, welfare of the nation, welfare of the public only. If it is not useful for the public, there is no, not much important to this science. Then how many types of science is there with us actually? What is the science? Then we are telling that, okay, physics is there, chemistry is there, language is there. Like there many methods are there. Generally, we think that, okay, few subjects will take, they are only science because they are teaching for us in the high school like that actually. But languages also belong to science only one way. So just I'll give one example of how they were explaining about the family system by a famous professor who is very good expert in the nonlinear control theory. He wanted to do the expert in, that means he was spending first 10 years in different fields. So he was giving a lecture at one of the founder of the ECE department of Usman University. At that time, he was telling that, okay, first 10 years I have concentrated in the nonlinear control theory. Then I have concentrated next 10 years in the artificial intelligence and machine learning. Of course, 50 years history was telling. Then like that he was telling. At the end, he mentioned one more point. What I had to do for the next 10 years. Of course, he was already 70 years at that time actually. Then I wanted to concentrate on the most complex systems. You see, science and technology is telling. Next 10 years, I wanted to concentrate on the most complex systems. Then he has given what are the complex systems. 2 examples he has given. Then we'll understand what is the importance of the family system in India. He wanted to study the science in the family system actually. First one, he explained about the traffic system actually. Let us take in Delhi or Hyderabad or Tokyo particularly. So when the traffic jam is going to occur, I wanted to predict at least 1 hour before or 2 hours before or 1 day before. When can I predict the traffic jams? Because he was working in artificial intelligence and again it was emerging. Of course, there are many techniques developed actually, but he wanted to work in that area actually, again, using those techniques. But he wanted to work on the complex systems and he has given 2 examples. So first one is related to traffic, I said actually, where it is coming. Then he has given a lot of examples on that also, some more theory also, how to analyze like that. Then he has given another example is related to family system in India particularly. So how this is working. In other countries, if we see, so that is not working. Whenever they are marrying, even wife and husband or some people actually youth, then they are thinking that we wanted to stay for a long time. Some people may be thinking that, okay, it is temporary or agreement time. But even they are also thinking that we wanted to stay a long time, but we are not able to stay. What is the reason? They are not able to understand. And they are going. But in India, if we see, they are staying till the death actually. That is there in India. Even if there is one more life, they wanted to stay together. So what is the science behind this he wanted to study? And he wanted to communicate that with everyone, every country, why they are happy, what is the reason to stay together. Without happy, nobody can stay. So what is binding them to stay together? That he wanted to study as the science actually, or engineering or technology. See, what is the science means? We can say that there is science in every field actually, not only in few fields, everywhere there is science. But what is that science? Science has to explain how it is working, why it is needed for us, and if it is not working, why it is not working. Like that, we have to explain. So that is very essential for us, all of us actually. Then whenever we are telling something, okay, where we are lagging and which is required for India, then before going to that, some areas we have to say where we are excelling in India also we have to mention. Then we can go to where we are lagging, where we have to concentrate, what are the opportunities for India to self-sustain or become Atmanirbhar itself. Similarly, contribute something to the complete world or wish. How do we contribute? How do we help the complete society also? Because the topic was given as the science for Atmanirbhar and also for good world actually. For that purpose, if we take actually where we are excelling, how we are contributing to the world actually. That was also important for us actually. First thing we can say that, okay, how we have contributed to the world. In first aspect, if we say actually, one thing is the languages. First one I can say that, okay, language is the first one for all of us actually. So how language is developed? Let us take the letters only. So how the science is there, we are wondering even now also. Let us take the alphabets of the Telugu, Hindi, even Devanagari we are telling actually, or Sanskrit, all these things actually. How they are coming actually. Let us observe your tongue for the letters whenever you are pronouncing a, e, u, ru, ru, lu, lu, a, I, o. How the tongue is touching for each word from inner side to outside that it's touching. Sometimes it is going starting from the outer side. For each letter is going inner side. You see how they are developed. Let us speak the same letters in English. How they are coming. A, B, C, D. Is there actually that one actually? So there is the first example I'm giving. Not only that much, there is a lot of thing in the language also for us actually. So that is a simple example I said actually. Just how do they define the alphabets for the Telugu or Hindi or Indian languages? Almost all of them are similar. So where it started also we are not able to explain or we are not able to understand. But very long back they define. Is there science or not? Just for that person telling. In the language itself, there is a lot of science. Grammar is there. There is also on science only. How do they evolve? So based upon the nature, they define the grammar also, how it is occurring. Nature upon that only they explain everything. Sandulu, Samadha, Salu, whatever we are telling, all those things. Then let us come back to the another area where we are all know very well actually. Astronomy. Is it right? Astronomy and mathematics will go together one way actually. Mathematics is required everywhere. But why we are telling? Because astronomy, after 10th class in olden days, or even now also, Pandits, even without studying the MSc astronomy or BSc astronomy, they are able to write the Panchangam. So in the Panchangam, I will give only one example of the lunar eclipse, solar eclipse. When it will come, they are able to say after 100 years also when it will come, up to accuracy of 1 second or 2 seconds, whatever is there, that much accuracy they will give. Okay, for Hyderabad city, the solar eclipse start in the evening 3:30 p.m. and it will end 3:44 minutes. Like that we will see in the calendar. So who is writing actually? That Panchanga Pandits are writing. But Pandits are not reading whatever we are reading this method. But they are studying. But what is happening, they may not be known. But exactly for the common public, how to find out when the eclipse is coming, they are able to explain. Therefore, whenever we are telling the science, that also we can divide based upon the understanding capabilities, based upon the need. That is divided into a number of parts. Some people are working, why it is working, how can we make it to work. Some people are using the science for the usage. They may not be knowing how it is working, but they are able to know only the thing. So how to utilize that also. That is also one type of science only for us actually. Both are needed. But sometimes some people may understand both actually. Some people may not be able to understand. That is also another sense. For whom, how much we have to teach, and for whom, which cannot be taught now. Sometimes we have to teach later. The training method is also there in India. So what is the method earlier days actually? When we are very completely shishu or completely 5 years, younger than 5 years. So in India, all the things were taught by the mother only, or also grandparents, what they used to teach actually. They have never taught us at home actually. For most of us actually, writing actually. What they used to do actually, just by hearting was the first thing for the teaching for us actually. We have not said that, okay, it is a teaching without knowing the teaching, or even mother also doesn't know that, okay, she's teaching or she's training, but she will teach the words how to pronounce. Similarly, not only pronouncing, then they'll say some poems in Telugu or Vemana Shatakam or Sumati Shatakam or Potana Bhagavata poems or something like that. Is it right? There itself, they are able to understand the child psychology, and somehow they are habituated, all of us, to think at the childhood actually. Okay, as the child is growing, he will learn questioning actually. Before that, what they are teaching actually, just they are gone telling the poems to by heart actually. Even there also he will think actually how he is pronouncing, and he will try to pronounce which is easy to pronounce. That words we will say first for them actually. That is also one science. Is it right? Which one we have to say first? Which one we have to say later? That was also there here actually. So that's why in India, almost in all languages, in everywhere. So by hearting was the first thing they taught actually, because at that time our mind is not completely grown actually. Therefore, they can learn only the by hearting method actually. That means that is very much useful later actually. As we are growing, so our thinking power will increase, creativity also will increase. Naturally, they will go on giving the other things for us actually. So, but now it is lost. Now what is happening in the schools? Day one onwards, they are giving the palaka balapam, will say, is it right, slate and pen or whatever is there. Even slate also not there, they are not giving. Now directly they are giving the book actually. In that book only they have to write with pencil or pen actually directly. But whenever they are using the slate we can use number of times. That was there in the olden days when we are writing, that much only like that actually. So that I said actually. So in the astronomy, just again one example is how the earth is revolving around the sun. Similarly, how the moon is revolving around the earth. All those things they were able to explain. Is it right? So for everyone, they may not be explaining, but we are all able to utilize the fruits of the science of the astronomy for regular follow-up actually, for all of us actually. When we have to put the crop, when we have to put the seeds, all those things also they are following the Panchanga only. Oh, when the Rohini Karte is coming, like that actually, in the villages also. So that much science and technology was there, and everyone was using at different levels. I'm telling, somebody's work was working or writing only when the eclipse is coming, and he was used to do the calculations. He used to write the Panchanga, but he doesn't know how those calculations are giving the eclipse. But he knows that okay, if I do like this, eclipse when it is coming, he will know. But there were some more people who are the scientists we are telling actually. They used to do the other part actually. So they are nothing but they how to find out the ephemeris. Nowadays we are telling Kepler's laws, but before Kepler's laws only they were doing all these things actually. Is it right? Even the Mahabharata also that is there we are telling. That is another point we have to remember. Even the music also, how it is developed, we are wondering. Just I was asking my friend actually, I was working with the US, from India only. There was another contemporary for us from US actually. So we wanted to send a gift. What is the gift we can send to them? Then I was not getting an idea. Just I was, another manager was there with me actually, colleague actually. Just I was asking, he belongs to a different group. So what can we send actually? It should not be big and small. Then he immediately suggested me that, okay, fruit. Fruit is a very easy, right? We can carry in the suitcase that we can take up. Therefore, how many instruments are developed actually? Very long back only. Even if you see the flute, where was the flute piece famous from Sri Krishna? Is it right? He is having that one 5,000 years old only. The flute and very clearly they are playing. Is it right? So there is also a lot of science in that one. Sculpture also. In the India, how many temples are built? How much sculpture is there? What is the science they are used? We don't know. Even also, we lost somewhere else. So therefore, we have to find out where is we lost also. I said about family system and traffic jam. First, I started with this. Is it right? So that is the another one. Similarly, so let us take the some more people related to latest ones actually. Jagadish Chandra Bose actually. So how much he has contributed? Just we are thinking that sometimes we don't have many things with us actually. How do we do the research generally, or how do we contribute to the science and technology? But if we take the J.C. Bose actually, J.C. Bose worked in India, and he was the first person to show the wireless communication. Even now also very few labs are working in the 60 gigahertz micro frequencies or in the electromagnetic waves actually. So even also many labs don't have, but he was working at that time only by designing his own things. Even Usman I wondered actually, even most of the electronics and communication labs are not working or designing the oscilloscopes or multimeters, all those things. But in 1970s or before 1970s, actually, they were designing their own multimeters, and also many things they were telling actually in a instrumentation society lab actually, or lecture. One professor was telling that, okay, so in our lab, my professor designed a multimeter and also oscilloscope. They used to use that oscilloscope only for their measurements actually. Even J.C. Bose was still earlier than them actually. He has gone up to 60 gigahertz also. That was the thing actually when we are telling that, okay, whatever is not available, then creation of that is also one type of science and technology together only. That is also important for us actually. For that was just recently within 100 years, I have given the example of J.C. Bose. Even if you take the J.C. Bose father actually, so though he is an advocate actually, he was very much interested in the industry side actually. That's why what he has done actually, for that purpose, he has taken the J.C. Bose basically. So his father actually, he has funded some industries actually, small scale industries for production of some products, but they have not succeeded. So then what happened actually, after J.C. Bose became professor and somewhere, he was not paid salary for 3 years actually, but later because of student strike and all those things, Britishers paid the complete salary after 3 years. When they paid the salary, so his father for creating the industries, he has made some debts also, not only his money. So with that money, whatever he got through teaching, the salary paid actually, he has cleared those debts also. That means though his father is an advocate, he was very much interested in the industry. Industry is very much needed for the development of the society also like that. We are thinking that, okay, the spiritual people or some people are not interested in the science and technology, but let us take the Swami Vivekananda, another example actually. Swami Vivekananda has inspired the Tatas actually to build the IISc, Indian Institute of Science. But what was the original name of the Indian Institute of Science? Even now also, common people in the Bangalore, very near to Tata Institute, if you are searching for the IISc, if you are asking IISc, they won't understand. If you are asking Tata Institute, they will say. That means that was inspired by the Swami Vivekananda only, generally. So what I wanted to say is, okay, spiritualism and science and technology cannot go separately. They are going together only in India. Those who are succeeded, they are always encourage the science and also technology and questioning and also getting the answers for them actually. That was another thing. Even let us take the navigation also. So we are reading in our literature, Vasco da Gama, some people some other people invented the India type actually. But if we take navigation was there in the earlier days only, they used to do a lot of business from India actually. They used to go to the ships and they used to sell their gems and jewels and they used to come back. Like that, a lot of people from India, businessmen have done their business outside India also. Even Ayurveda also we are very good actually. This is old history, Ayurveda, similarly other parts actually. But if we are coming to India at present actually, in the space technology we are doing very well. There is no doubt actually. In defense also we are doing very well. Space side we are able to launch many satellites of other countries from India with the cheapest cost. That is the cheapest cost. That is also important. Is it right? Whenever we are telling science and technology, it is not only the state of the art technology, but whatever is required for the common man, that should be available for those common mans using this science and technology. Then only we are excelling in the science and technology. Yes, I am able to do everything, but this I am not able to do, then that is not at all much useful. That whatever is required for the common man, that should be available for them at the cheapest cost. Or if it should be available means if we don't have the money, then that is not available anyway. So that should be available for them. That is also we have to think in the science and technology. Therefore, space, nuclear technology, defense, we are doing very well. And beyond this, if we say for the whole world, if we take the India itself actually, only 2 cities from India, Pune and Hyderabad itself, are supplying almost 1/3 of the vaccines for the complete world actually. How much vaccines are required for the world? That means in mass production in the pharma industry, we are excelling from India actually. Of course, many cities are there, but only 2 cities in the vaccine side, they are supplying for the mass production actually. We are thinking that we don't have the perfection we are telling, but vaccines, all those things, whenever they are making, whatever the percentage of mixing is required, that much they have to do, that they are able to do it actually. Is it right? Mass production also, they are excelling. There is no doubt. Even agriculture also, we are able to produce sufficient agriculture at present, paddy or whatever the food products are required, that also we are producing. And see, in that way, we are excelling very well in the in some fields, but where are we lagging? That is also important for us. Is it right? Of course, one more area we have to say, for the complete world actually, handicraft side also very, handicrafts, gems and jewels, we are very good in the India actually. One of the richest cities with more capita income side. Cities, if we say, Surat is very popular. In which way Surat is popular actually? The polishing the gems and jewels, almost all of them will be done in the Surat actually. So gems and jewels, if we say Surat, they are telling actually that much popular actually. That means we are very good in some areas, there is no doubt. Where are we are not able to do very well? Of course, other area in information technology also we are doing very well, we are telling. But where do we lost actually? Definitely we are going to, we are not able to do some more things for self-reliance. What is that actually? Let us take the space and defense only. We are excelling very well, we are telling. But most of the science and technology lectures, whenever space scientists coming or defense scientist is coming, or like me, somebody is telling that we are excelling very well, immediately one question will come from the students or audience. What is the question will come? So what is that mobile phone we are using? Where is it made? Is it right? That is another question. Similarly, whenever you are telling that we are able to launch the satellites, we are able to launch the missiles, then whatever with the chips are there in that launch vehicle or satellite, those chips are made in India or outside? That is the question will come for us immediately. Is it right? That is another question. Similarly, another question will come to some of the consumer items also. How those products are made, where are they made actually? Though we are producing many cars, how many cars brands are owned by us actually? So how many cars, that means what are the cars we are using? So where are they produced? Where are they coming actually? That is also another question is coming for all of us actually. Then another question will come actually, how many students, the rank holders actually, whether they are from IITs or IISc or somewhere they are studying actually, for example, how many students are going abroad? Similarly, how many foreign students are coming to India? These are the questions asked by many students. Is it right? So in these areas, definitely we are lagging. There is no doubt. So whenever I said that, okay, chips side actually. Chips means what are those chips actually? Chips are nothing but one type of production side actually. Okay, pharma side, production side, mass production, we are excelling very well. IT side, services side, we are excelling. But IT products, very few are there from our side. But most of the mass products in the IT, like let us take the Microsoft Windows, we are getting from outside. So Oracle products or database products, most of the things we are using from outside, even the services also. So we are lagging in that one. That means making them as the products. We are enjoying with services only, but we have to become self-reliant means those products should be made by us also. Example, similarly, hardware side, chips I said actually. In chip side, electronic industry side, if we take, because IT and electronic industry will go together, even in the ministry also they are going together, but we are lagging completely, not only in the chips only, instruments also. Most of the instruments in the biotechnology or pharmacy or many other sophisticated side, most of the instruments we are getting from outside. But the complex technology for launching the satellites, for launching the missiles, for nuclear energy production, we are doing many things. But in the smallest things which are for mass production, in some areas we excel in pharmacy, but here we are lagging. For example, I'm telling actually. Similarly, education side also, if we take in education side, there are many faculty or professors in abroad from India also. But from India, there are many professors teaching outside India, but within India we are lagging. Where are we lagging? That means from the so-called advanced countries or where our students are going for studying. But from those countries, students are not coming to India. That we have to address also in future somewhere actually. These are some of the things I wanted to share with all of you related to what is called actually science and technology. So if we have to become self-reliant, then how do we become in all these things self-reliant? That is another question. Yes, where are we lagging, I'm telling. So for that purpose, I'll give few examples where we have to start actually. Yes, in some, most of us, we feel that, okay, IT is very good, therefore I have to work. Yes, in IT we can work, but we have to produce the products. Who will produce those products? Whoever is interested to make, as India is a self-reliant, then they have to think that, okay, I have to produce a product which is useful for the complete country or for a section of the society of the country or world, then that product should be used. For that purpose, I have to work. For that purpose, definitely it will take years together. There is no doubt actually. Yeah, with the minimum requirements, whatever is required for my life, I will spend that much, but remaining complete life, I will spend for that purpose. Then I will make in one area self-reliant part. That is the another thing. Whether it is the IT products or chip making or something else actually. Of course, we have to work together. There is no doubt. But I wanted to spend some time for this purpose. Then I will make a part of the society for the self-reliance. So I said few of the examples, but there may be some more things where I am coming across regularly and many people are asking that I said actually. Then another question. Yeah. One more thing I wanted to say that, okay, one is IT industry side, instrument side also. Many students in the MTech side, because of electronics, I'm giving electronics actually. But other point, whenever we are coming across actually related to this part actually, embedded systems side we are telling. Many people are doing MTech embedded systems, but they are not working embedded systems actually. what is happening is, okay, many instruments we are importing, but all those things we have to make it means we have to start actually, and also slowly we have to make them perfection also. So I was not telling about the quality. Most of the instruments are electronic side. We are looking for quality. Why we are not able to produce mass? Because of most of the people are telling that, okay, Indian products in some areas, though we are able to send the satellites with more accurate actually missiles also, but we are lagging in the consumer products or in the instrument side. The quality they are telling, that perfection actually in the mass production. In pharmacy we are excelling, I said mass production, but here also we have to check what are the reasons and how do we make it perfection to get that quality. Let us take the example of Japan. Japan, if we say the quality is excelling now actually, but before 1965, Japan products were also not accepted easily. They were also not that much quality. But some scientists or some engineer thought that, okay, we are lagging in quality, that's why it is happening, therefore we have to develop the quality products. Now there is no competition for Japan in the quality wise. If they are doing a product from Japan, that is excellent. Therefore, we have to think about that also. In each areas, that is also another reason. General, there is not only one product, for many products. That also we have to think for self-reliance, for India, anything we have to use. In consumer products also we have to think. Consumer means soaps, pens, many things, whatever we are using actually sometimes, they are coming from abroad or they are produced in India, but the profit are owned by those companies are owned by the outside. Management is from outside only. Everything is even the people are from outside. Labor is from outside. Of course, they transfer the technology or somehow actually they are producing within India. That is there actually. And those same products are quality. We are telling that means monitoring the quality is also done by us, our own employees only, but as per their standard. Therefore, we have to explore about the quality also for all these products. This is one. That means as a scientist or engineer, by thinking about science, actually, we have to think that how to produce the quality products is one. Another one is, okay, let us choose some area where we are lacking. Just now I mentioned some, but many more are there in every field, even mechanical side actually, or even in other areas also. And we have to work on those areas and we have to choose one section actually. We cannot contribute in every area. Then let us come to the other part actually. So one is science and engineering actually. But as a science, as a citizen of Bharat actually, what is there for us actually? Another part is if someone is producing some products, at the starting somebody has to promote that product. Otherwise it cannot be sold because marketing is also important actually. How can we help them in the marketing? For that process, if those products are produced in India, we have to purchase them. Yes, some products may not be perfect actually for us. Then we have to purchase and we have to give the feedback. Yes, here it is lagging, therefore we have to improve in this one. Then we have to give the opportunity for them. Then they may improve it. Like that we have to give. Sometimes what happens actually, they are made in India, but because of some crazy about foreign products, yes, they are very good quality. That's why you are purchasing like that actually. Yes, we have to evaluate, we have to search for the quality products within India wherever they are made. Then we have to propagate that thing also. First one is use the products made in India, consumer items first, then other products which are easy, which are possible to use. Yes, some products it may not be possible to use, which are made, which are not quality actually. Then there is no option. But some products temporarily to encourage our Indian products and make them quality, use them and give the feedback for them and force them to make them quality actually. That is another thing actually. Similarly, one more thing is related to quality side whenever you are coming actually. So whenever you are giving the quality fine actually. So another part is related to in the higher end also. One professor was telling actually, let us take the cars. So the example was given that, okay, even though quality is there, we are not using like that. He was telling actually, okay, our cars are cheaper. That's why we are going for costly cars. He was giving the immediately example that, okay, in the cars also, costly cars are there with us also. Now we purchased, okay, somebody built, but now earlier our companies were purchased by the outside people actually. But nowadays slowly started. Indians are also acquiring the companies of the outside. For example, one of them is the Jaguar company actually. Earlier, Jaguar was belonged to UK or Europe actually, but that was procured by the India. They are costly cars also. If you are interested, having the money more, then you can purchase them also. Like that, you are suggesting. Don't think that okay, cost is less, quality is also less. But there are some products where quality is high, or cost also may be there actually. So if you are wanted to show that, you can purchase them also like that, which are owned by Indians, and also in that area they have excellence. We have to give the complete feedback. So whenever we are thinking science, these are the required things. But what is missing in our regular attitude actually, as the students or as the teachers or the scientists, where are we losing from the childhood? Of course, it may be coming many times in the Vijnana Bharati. What is missing is, okay, what others are doing, we wanted to in the mass actually. We are not thinking individually anywhere. Yes, we have to encourage others, there is no doubt. But generally what is happening is, okay, we are trying to go with the mass. That means, okay, 100 people are going, therefore I have to also go like that. But why they are going, we are not thinking. What are the alternatives also we are not thinking. What we can do also we are not thinking. Let us take the intermediate education. So I was telling that energy means strength, health is the first one. But if you take 2 years of intermediate, almost all of them are never spending their time for exercise or for any other thing except staying in the rooms or classroom or hostel room actually. That is also happening most of the times actually. Example I said. But we have to think about that side in the training also from high school level. And also I have seen many intermediate students in the Hyderabad actually. They will never do the exam experiments in the college actually, in the science. I was telling that, okay, how it is working, we have to see physically also sometimes which is possible. For some of the things we don't know. That is not possible. But when we are putting those experiments and all those things also, then also we are not able to see. That is also there. When they are designing the curriculum itself, the physics experiments, chemistry experiments, or some other experiments, those experiments we are not at all doing. Only for examination, we are going and somehow we are managing and getting. Then how do we get the science, how it is working actually? How do we get the feeling? Even for the science also, at the MSc level or after science also, scientists also, when they are producing themselves a synthetic speech, they have already read itself different. But whenever they are producing by computer speech, themselves using already existing technology, their emotional attachment will be different. They will do the experiments. That is missing from all of us in the colleges also most of the times. That also we have to inculcate. That is one part, that doing the experiment, seeing the results. But another part is also there actually in the science to learn actually, which is useful for self-reliance. We have to go to the fields, agriculture or some industries and see those things actually, how they are working. Therefore, industrial visits or village visits, that is also essential to understand how they are working, how do we contribute. For example, I said about one professor wanted to work on the family system. Then he has to understand a lot of things within India or abroad. Somebody's there was a divorce, then why it is occurred, he has to study completely. Similarly, here these families are staying, hundreds of families or lakhs or crores of families are staying together. Therefore, he has to save many families where there were difficulties, why they stayed, what is winding like that, is it right? So unless we see the complete society by keen observation, we cannot learn that thing. In the keen observation also, for some of them we will see on overall view, but where we are concentrating, there we have to concentrate more. That is also there. So in that way, once we are thinking about particular area or anything is required, we have to analyze in particular area science. Then we have to take up that area and we have to think actually. So in that way, we have to first of all think that, okay, I have to be self-reliant myself first. That is the first thing. Most of us are not concentrating on health or whatever is required individual energy. Only generally engineering or medicine side, if we think, they are thinking that books reading is enough, but that is not enough to become self-reliant or to do the research or something to contribute for the science. Other part is also there, keen observation, visiting many places and all those things that is required. As we are growing up actually, then we have to make up that, okay, yes, I have to contribute something to the science, which is useful for the complete society, a section of the society in India at least, or section of the part actually. For example, if you want to work in agriculture side, how it is useful for farmers, or if you wanted to work in the health field, how can I contribute for the health of the people actually, where can I contribute like that actually. So that is also another thing as we are growing. Then how can we make it the product at the end actually, not only that much, at the end we have to, and also use of the products made in India also, that is important, because to encourage these people who are coming in the new area actually. So then only we can become self-reliant. Just by only producing one side, we cannot become, or working ourselves individually, we cannot become. So all of us together, how do we develop the product? Similarly, how do we utilize our things actually? So with those things, we can become the self-reliant. Once we have become self-reliant, we can export or we can use them also. Even in the knowledge we are telling that, okay, Vishwaguru we are telling, India has contributed a lot of things in the form of knowledge we are telling. Even the family system was introduced because of India in many countries they are telling actually. Even UK, Queen was telling once in one of the meetings organized by Indians in UK actually. Yes,
Lakshman.
India's for us. So that if we remember, that is good actually. With this, I'll conclude my speech actually. So
I
thanks for-
request, I request any questions are there, please put in a chat window for all so that your questions will be understood. Any questions, please? Any questions? Might be related to anything you want to know. Lakshmana Rangi is at Usmania University, is available, a technical expert, and he worked as a consultant for analog device and TI and a lot of, I can say in Hyderabad, he is one of expert in all digital signal processing. So he is considered for all their consultancy works. So he is well known in his field, and any questions in this area are related the topic Atmanirbhar Bharata. I request all of you publish your questions.
Moti, may I ask some query with the professor, sir?
Yes, carry on.
Please, can you repeat the question?
Sir, I'm Pradeep Agarwal here.
Yeah.
Just like a policy related thing, as per your experience, you touched the topic regarding the chip fabrication and instrumentation.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
fortunately, both these topics are very close to my heart also. I would like to know your view about the why the chip fabrication is not taking up in India. Same way, if we see the instrumentation, we are able to make missiles and satellites. But still, I 100% agree with you. We are very poor in the instrumentation. A small oscilloscope or function generator also, we may not have a one quality product. What is your view, or is there some problem in policy, or how we should go ahead so that chip can be fabricated or instrumentation also can take place in India, sir?
Okay. I'm not actually. Just I'll give my views only.
But your view, sir. I am asking your view, sir. You in this area. You are working long time. That's just your view, sir.
I am working because of some excellence and by birth something related to algorithm and mathematics. I'm good enough. That's why I'm working in that area. But we have conducted a lecture on chip making side by one professor actually. So that's why I'll share his ideas what he was telling actually. So you were mentioning that okay, we are producing fabrication. We are mentioning, but how many chips are owned by us? Where we are selling those chips within India? Self-reliance means okay. Somebody needed or producing some mobile phones wanted to produce. He has to import from outside only. Okay, one part is complex algorithms which are confidential. Then we may be going for fabrication outside to keep secrecy with us. But other parties which are not confidential, but we are not designing ourselves, completely owned by us actually. That is there. So then he was telling that okay. So where first of all we are not planning to take it long term for owning the chips ourselves actually. We are thinking that okay, let us make it and sell it for someone. I know some companies in Hyderabad. Of course, my good friends are working in financial controllers or something in those companies. Their aim itself, they are keeping that okay. What he was telling that okay, their aim itself is that okay, develop something on chip making side or develop some algorithms and sell that company to some multinational company. Then how can we own that product actually? They will be producing some products, but they have to keep it for long term. Then only it is possible. And also another part, they are telling that we are not able to sell it actually. In the multinational scenario, if you are producing something but somebody is giving, and we are not seeing holistic and it will be a lot of investment is required. Therefore, maybe government support is required, but he was telling actually, first professor was telling that, okay, we are not planning much actually on coming together, that he was telling, but other person was telling that who is working for industry, their objective itself is keeping that, okay, let us start it for 3 to 4 years, we'll make it very well, then we'll sell it to someone else for the multinational, then naturally it cannot come. I have seen almost 4 or 5 companies within Hyderabad who are working in chip making side, communications or something. Somebody came and multinational company came and procured them. Like that actually. That itself is there we had addressed. How do we keep our aim itself to produce them? Then we can go. There what is the biggest problem they mentioned is, one of them is, okay, investment, and also another part is sales. Already they are so much advanced, so can we compete with them or not? Therefore, there is no alternative for me because I cannot go on investing the money for that purpose. Therefore, I am going to sell it. Even US also, for many chips, they are fabricated in Korea only now. Is it right? They are also most of the times.
Yes, yes.
So
TSMC, big manufacturer now, China.
yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir. Any other question from students? If not, okay, we are at 7 o'clock. So I request Sriram Reddy is there. He just dropped off. I could see Sriram.
Yes.
He just dropped. Maybe.
Just 1 minute. We are working in the area of global navigation satellite systems. Similarly, we are working for the speech and language technologies for Indian languages. In that one, particularly at present, we are working on a project related to speech-to-speech interface for humanoid in the Gaganyaan project. Actually, what is going to launch actually. For that purpose, we are working for Indian accent English and also Hindi. That means with this technology, whatever we are developing as a one part actually. So humanoid will interact with the human beings with the speech actually. Both will be speaking with the speech. If anybody interested to do their long-term projects of MTech or that type of 1-year project, they can come and meet us actually.
Thank you, sir. Vinay, Gayatri, I request you to vote of thanks. Gayatri is there. Vinay, Sriram Reddy.
Sir, Gayatri is not available, sir.
Okay, carry on, Vinay. Sriram also not joined.
Yes, Sriram also not joined.
See, he dropped. Okay. Okay, maybe disconnection. Vinay.
I will inform him, sir. I will inform him, sir.
Vinay, now time is not there. You can carry on. Thank you very much for all the professors and engineering students who joined for Vijnana Yatra, happening virtually, and it's like a mega Sandesh happening everywhere in all cities. And we organized for engineering students. Thanks for all who take time and joining the session. Thankful to all the professors and all the dignitaries who joined the session. Gave time, and I am especially thankful to Lakshmi Rangi immediately accepting within short time and accepting this request. We are organizing this Vijnana Yatra very short time, so thank one and all for making this successful. Thank you once again. And we end the meeting with Shanti Mantra. After this, please tune on those engineering students interested to participate in projects that can be done for the presented for the IASF. There are some sections are there. There will encourage them to participate in different areas of work. So we'll have a discussion about 15 minutes. Those who want to join for the projects, stay back. Others can leave after the break. Okay, now with the Shanti Mantra, we will end the program. Thanks for all joining. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashid dukkha bad bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thanks again. Another 2 minutes, we join back. Those who are interested to do projects, stay back. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Vinay, you show that in our WhatsApp group, we have sent that project presentation, right? You share that into the window. Projects one JPG file is there. Sriram is there?
No, sir. Sriram is not there, sir.
Okay, you show Gayatri is also there. It is there in WhatsApp, right? You open that and show it up. First, open that project work. Maybe couple of minutes we discuss on it.
Sir, actually, it is not responding, sir.
Okay, you open that WhatsApp file. You have that one, right?